Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets and stock markets. My name is Mr. Orange and welcome to this new video. The weekend is in and we're going to check out how Ubisoft was actually performing the last week and if there were some new developments. So here you see, my friends, this is the chart of Ubisoft on TradingView. So I'm invested in Ubisoft. I'm now almost 70% down, and I also didn't buy more shares at one point because it was just total pain. So I know guys, so I should have known better, but I was really expecting a turnaround. So it turned out that the turnaround is not coming so quickly. So the knife is falling, and yeah, we will see what happens then. So I'm not a financial, I'm a YouTuber, a retail investor myself. This is for entertainment and information purposes only. Don't buy anything I'm talking here in those videos, so you probably lose all your money, my friend. So alright guys, so what's going on? So look at this chart. I mean, this is a terrible chart. This is really a terrible chart. So I can't tell you if we go even further down, but we are now at 19.165 euros in Paris at the stock exchange, the French stock exchange. So I think here round about 10 euros, 10, 12, 13 euros, there might be some resistance if we compared, especially also with regard to 2007 and 2009. And this is of course merely technical. So fundamentally we know the next year is going to be bad for Ubisoft. We heard this in my other videos. And then for 2024 they expect again profits of 400 million, but now they expect actually negative profits of 400 million, so which is a lot. So that's the reason why the stock is falling. So I talked already a lot about this, but I know, my friends, I see that you like those Ubisoft videos, therefore I thought like, yeah, I mean, you have to make the videos that the community wants. So also made several other videos about several other gaming companies, but it seems their interest lies at the moment with the Ubisoft videos. So I give you what you desire, and yeah, since I'm invested in Ubisoft, I feel your pain. I feel your pain, my friend. So that's the chart, can go down. And I'm saying this here also very honestly, guys. For my part, I'm not saying that I'm not going to buy a little bit more when the stock has fallen more. So I'm going to average down probably at one time, because if I see there's an opportunity for an interesting turnaround, then this is something I would do. Sorry for this short interruption, but as I said, so I'm not excluding that at one point I might purchase some more and to average down, guys. So alright, I would say we can also jump directly to see actually what was going on with Ubisoft this week. So we have a Kotaku article, and Watch Dogs Legion and Tom Clancy's Breakpoint came out on Steam. But before we do this, of course, I want to show you also here on Google Finance a comparison. Now on 1 month, I compare Ubisoft Entertainment as a growth company, as a tech company more or less, a software company, with the Nasdaq Composite. So probably if I would just have put all my money in the Nasdaq Composite that I have now in Ubisoft, look guys, and on 1 month I would have made 13%, 14%, and on Ubisoft I lost 26%. And on half a year it is even worse. So Nasdaq still a bit down, but Ubisoft over 53% down, and then on 6 months, and then on 1 year it's 60%. And if we look on, of course, on 5 years, you see what a bad investment Ubisoft was. So you see Ubisoft was just going down, and Nasdaq, even after the bubble we just now had in 2021, 2022, the whole year, then it's, yeah, even then Ubisoft is just a catastrophe, over 70% down. So probably averaging down makes sense. Watch Dogs Legion came out, and Tom Clancy's Breakpoint. So I bought myself the gold edition for 20 euros. You see, I even spent money on the Ubisoft games. I have to admit, my friends, I like those Ubisoft games. I play those Ubisoft games, so I really enjoy them. So that's fine for me. I'm also happy that they are bringing those games finally again to Steam. So they should have done this from beginning. And as a shareholder, as an investor in Ubisoft, so if they are not bringing those new games directly to Steam, I'm getting really angry with them. I think this is absolutely a bad decision. So Epic Games can pay them as much as they want for the exclusivity rights, but it was a bad decision and they should not continue like this. So bring the new games directly to Steam, and you have seen how successful a Call of Duty now is on Steam. How successful Call of Duty is. Watch Dogs Legion, mixed reviews. 53%. People probably complain about crashes. I guess they complain about that the game now comes back, and in general. So maybe also they complain that the game is woke. Yeah, this Watch Dogs Legion is part of the woke agenda of Ubisoft. It's the woke agenda, and we all know this was a big mistake as well. And I hope Guillemot will also fix this in the future games, because that's something it also cannot continue like this. Kotaku, new Far Cry multiplayer and Far Cry 7, both in the works at Ubisoft. This is a rumor. Kotaku writes it here like it's true, but it's a big rumor, and probably it will have a new engine. So here, read the article. I'm not going in the article, of course. It's Kotaku. I mean, they want to sell you their articles, so guys, so that's obvious. So if we go now here on publisher Ubisoft, you see then Ghost Recon, and that's a game I play right now. Also mixed reviews. I played right now. I have fun. I got myself here the 24 euro package for 80%, so I'm fine. Actually, I really think the prices are good. 80% now on those titles. Yes, I'll like this. I think Ubisoft is doing well here on this point. So I think it's good that they really price them at such a low price, because it's a low price for the games you get, and the games are still decent. Yes, you still need the Uplay launcher, but guys, I'm now here on my shareholder channel and not on my gaming channel, so therefore that's from a point of view from the stock. I don't see any issues here. Do we have the new numbers already in for September 2022? I'm not sure if those are the new numbers, but yeah, you see here income statement on a quarterly basis. Net income is negative, but I think it's not the new numbers that are in here. All right, guys, with that, I'm leaving it here. Market cap 2.3 billion euros, and oh my god, so 1917. So it is a disaster. It is a disaster. So it is a disaster. It's a disaster. Did I say this? Yeah, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.